What's up, guys? Aiden Nash with you here. My boy Pepe is over there. I think he said he snapped his rod. I'm not sure. But anyhow, we are going to be fishing today at my pond. And let's see what goes. Alright, so I just got a jig head on, and I'm just gonna be casting it. See what I can catch. Oh, I don't know, guys, if you can see me, guys, but I'm over here. Guys, I'm having some technical difficulties. What? No. Hell. You didn't snap it. Where's the other half? Oh. Well, guys, my boy Pepe just snapped his rod and threw it in the water. I don't know why. We could have fixed it with some tape and glue. But see if I can get anything.
I don't get anything, and even though my rod's snapped, I'm gonna do something.
Why don't you throw your other half in the water? What's that? Why are you fishing with half a rod? Alright, guys.
Actually, not broken.
I don't know if you can see me, but just casted by some brush. You just want to real slow and tip your rod.
Pray you get one of those.
And pray you get one, just like my boy Pepe said.
I'm about to pack up and go, guys.
I have one. Oh, guys, it bangled. Guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but my jig head just flung at me. I'm going to get it. It went in the woods.
Only thing bad about fishing in the woods pond, you get hung up so easy. I'm currently getting my jugs out of the water. I'm probably gonna head out. Aiden might not, but I am, so.
I just snapped my line.
Currently, I ain't got any food or anything out here. All I've got is my phone. Guys, my rod really didn't snap. I was just playing a little prank. So, yeah.
Who are you talking to? Mine is.
But yeah, I'm gonna cast. Yes. To go get my stuff.
Guys, I'm currently in the woods. I don't think you can see me. Alright, guys, I'm back. I just got tangled up. Happens really a lot. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna cast and over a tree. That's great. And I'm done for. Okay, guys. Well, guys, got my jig back. Don't know how. It was pretty deep in that tree, if you ask me. Right, so Peyton's trying to reel in her jug. I don't know if I showed you guys our jugs, but I'm about to go show you our jugs. Currently, they have not moved. Okay. So, let's go. Alrighty, guys, we're over here, as you can see, trying to get my jug, and I brought my rod. So, what we're gonna be doing is taking this and catching. Oh, as you can see, my boy Pepe just fell in the lake, or the pond. He's dirty, as you just heard. And now, I've hooked. I've hooked the jug. I'm taking it back to my spot to show you guys our setup on our jugs. Alright, so guys, let me just show you our setup. So guys, I just hooked myself in the hand. Really hurt, but I'm okay. That's the most important thing, fishing. What? Peyton just got is gonna use my rod. So, looks like a normal hook with a worm. Not so fast. There's a jug, a bottle right here. I had to tape the lid because it fell off. So what you want to do is you want to throw this out by brush or anything, and when the fish gets on it, it'll start bobbing. That's when you try to reel it in, and that's when you know you have fish. So, just gonna try to throw this baby back out there. As you can see, I failed. Really, you want it more out there. And guys, as you can see, it's starting to rain. Hope it don't rain long, because I really want to catch something else today, as I should say, because I only caught one, and currently Peyton has my rod. So, can't fish right now. But guys, if you like fishing, if you like, if you like fishing, seeing big fish caught, and watch this channel. Peyton Adams, his PA Fishing is his YouTube channel. His channel is pretty cool. Go check it out if you like fishing. And if you want some tips on how to catch big fish, bass, bluegill, carp, whatever, leave a comment in the comment section below. And I'm gonna try to go help my boy Pepe right now.